told the people at the wedding, this part of the wedding was not rehearsed. And so there's only one take. When these guys leave, they're gone. And a lot of times when we release birds, they probably won't go soaring into the sky. They're going to look for the nearest tree and land, and then look over the scenery before they figure out which way they want to go. These came in May. They're all three related barn owls, and the tree came down, I think, from a storm or something.
Oh, the tree, the whole tree,
Yeah.
and the nest, and
Because they live in the hollows. All owls don't make their nests, they live in hollows. We're Wildlife Inc. We're out on Braden Beach. We've been doing this 30 years. And the last release I got to do was when they opened that big estuary up there in Hillsborough County. And it went really well. You always worry about releases because you never know for sure how they go. But so far, we've been fortunate. We did the opening of the park there in Perico Bay Club for the county, and that went well. They told us any other openings of parks, they're going to invite us to release things. So today we're going to release these guys. We wanted a little bit of light so we can try to get some pictures of them, but probably everybody should stay back behind. And we found that out by experience. That,
Yeah, I take a quick picture of one of them,
you
or
can. We can open this up and you can take pictures of them in there.
how many animals, owls, and things? do you
Wow,
take
they're
in every
beautiful.
year?
Spectacular.
Right now, we've passed 3,000 things that we've taken in.
Every year?
Yeah. Sometimes it even goes higher than that. Just depends.
Hey, buddy.
This last spring, we had 8 baby deer at one time at our place.
Baby deer.
We had 51 baby screech owls this year. They've all been released already. These would have probably been released sooner. We just really were looking for really a good location.
I think we found one.
Catherine came along. But anywhere that they can get rodents, they're ready to go. They're banging on the door there. Okay,
Are they going to
guys.
build a house? Like, are they going to be looking for an old tree to roost in?
Yeah, they'll be looking for a cavity. Either that or,
Plenty of them.
even somebody's attic.
they'll go to your barn, maybe.
Yeah.
Well, we're ready. Here we go.
Look, you got a tree. Yeah. Yeah, he's flying pretty well.
Is that the first time they've really used their wings then?
This one's coming back.